Hello and welcome to this quick video on how to install the Somfy Lithium-ion Solar Panel. Let's start by seeing what is in the box. One WireFree Lithium-ion Solar Panel, a pair of 4-inch mounting brackets, a pair of shorter 2-inch mounting brackets, 2 long wood screws, 2 shorter self-tapping screws for headrail mounting, glass mount adhesive, an alcohol wipe for prepping the surfaces before application, and an instruction manual. The lithium-ion solar panel can be used in 2 scenarios. With a lithium-ion embedded battery motor, in which the panel connector plugs directly into the motor port located on the motor head. This is the scenario we will show in this video. The solar panel can also be used to power an external lithium-ion battery motor via a rechargeable lithium-ion battery pack. Before installing the panel, let's explore our options. The solar panel can be mounted using the brackets, shorter or longer, mounted to the window frame with the long wood screws on a headrail, also using the best fitting brackets and shorter self-tapping screws, or directly on the glass using the adhesive. Select a mounting option that is optimal for maximum sunlight exposure, which will promote the best charging performance. Regardless of which mounting option you choose, please make sure you can reach either the motor or the battery to connect the solar panel. In this video, we will show you how to mount the solar panel using the 4-inch brackets mounted to the top of the window frame. To access the window frame, carefully remove the shade from its brackets and set aside. Then slide the acrylic brackets onto the panel and space them evenly. Make sure the photovoltaic cells are not obstructed by the brackets, and that the panel is not in the way of the opening window. Bring the panel to the window to mark the desired spots and drill using a power drill if you have one. If you don't want to drill into the window frame, you can also use a strong double-sided adhesive tape. Next, secure the brackets using the provided long wood screws. Now let's manage the connector wire. We used wire tacks to secure the wire and tuck away any excess, so only the needed length to reach the motor is available. Now, place the shade back in the brackets and plug in the solar panel connector. If necessary, adjust the end limits of the shade. Please refer to the appropriate motor limit adjustment instructions. The solar panel converts sunlight into energy to trickle charge the high-capacity lithium-ion embedded battery, providing uninterrupted service to the motorized window covering. It is normal for the battery to gain more energy in summer than in winter months. You are now ready to harness the energy of the sun. Enjoy your solar-powered motorized window covering. Visit us on somfysystems.com for more information.